I'm here with one more question of factorization by using synthetic division method. In this question, they have given a polynomial and asked us to factorize this by using synthetic division method. But we didn't even have a one factor. It's a biquadratic polynomial. This polynomial will have at most 4 factors, but we don't even know one factor. Then how to proceed? Let's see. So let take this polynomial as f of x, which is equal to 3x power 4 minus 10x cube plus 5x square plus 10x minus 8. For finding the first factor, we will give a trial. So we will check with is that x minus 1 is a factor or not. There is one rule. If sum of all the coefficients is equal to 0, then x minus will become a factor of f of x. So let's see, 3 minus 10 plus 5 plus 10 minus 8. These are sum of all the coefficients. Minus 10 plus 10 get cancelled. 3 plus 5 is 8. 8 minus 8 is 0. Yes. So x minus 1 is, remainder is 0 means x minus 1 is a factor. So we got one factor. We can factorize this polynomial by using the synthetic division method. So x minus 1 equal to 0 means x is equal to 1. So we'll take x equal to 1. And we will note down all the coefficients in a row with a little gap, with a little distance. Under the first coefficient, we will take it 0. We'll put 0. So next, add these two. 3 plus 0 is a 3. Now multiply these two. 3 ones are 3. Minus 10 plus 3 gives minus 7. Minus 7 into 1 is minus 7 again. 5 minus 7 is minus 2. Minus into plus minus 2 ones are 2. 10 minus 2 is 8. 8 ones are 8. Minus 8 plus 8 gives a 0. This is what our remainder. Okay. Now this is quotient, right? So f of x can be written as first factor is x minus 1 and this is our quotient. Here 4 terms are there, 4 coefficients are there. So when we have a 4 coefficients for the cubic polynomial, so with these coefficients we can make a cubic polynomial. It is 3x cube minus 7x square minus 2x plus 8. So we have taken a biquadratic polynomial which is having the degree 4 and we made it as a cubic polynomial with one factor. Now this cubic polynomial again we need to factorize by using the synthetic division method. So first let's find out one factor at least for this. Let's check x minus 1 is a factor or not. For that, sum of the coefficient should be equal to the 0. Take 3 minus 7 minus 2 plus 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. Minus 7, like symbols get added, 7 plus 2 is a 9. 11 minus 7, 11 minus 9 is not at all a 0. So this is not a factor. Now we need to give a trial with x plus 1. Is that x plus 1 is a factor or not? So for this, we know that sum of the odd power coefficients means x cube x power 1 is equal to sum of even power coefficients and constant term. So let's take odd power coefficient sum. 3 x cube is odd coefficient, odd power, right? X cube is odd power. So this is having the coefficient 3 and x power 1 is also odd coefficient. So we will take minus 2 which is equal to sum of even power coefficients. Even power coefficient is minus 7 and no more here and plus constant. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. Minus 7 plus 8 also gives 1. So both are equal means x plus 1 is a factor. When x plus 1 is a factor, putting x plus 1 equal to 0, so x is equal to minus 1. So let's divide this polynomial with the minus 1. So we'll write all the coefficients 3, minus 7, minus 2, 8. Now put 0 under the first coefficient and add. 3 plus 0 gives 3. 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Minus 7, minus 3, like symbols get added and same sign follows. Minus 10. Minus into minus plus 10 ones are 10. 10 minus 2 gives 8. 8 into minus 1 is minus 8. Again, 8 minus 8 is 0. So this is my reminder. So f of x can be written as the first polynomial, the first factor is x minus 1. And we have divided this with the x plus 1. And hence here we got 3 terms. We can make it as a quadratic polynomial, which is nothing but 3x square minus 10x plus 8. This quadratic polynomial, again we need to factorize by using the splitting the middle term method. Let's multiply these end of the terms. 8 3 is 24. Write the factors for this. 1 24, 2 12, 2 12 is 24, 3 8 is 24, 4 6 is 24, 5 doesn't go, 6 came off. Let's stop writing. Now, for this splitting the middle term, we have a middle term negative 10. So which two numbers, if we add or subtract, is giving negative 10, we need to check. See, 12 minus 2 gives 10, right? And 12 2 is 24 also. So here, but here we need to have a positive 24, right? So if we keep minus 12 plus 2, we get minus 10. But the sign of this will get it changed. So let's check one more. 6 plus 4 also giving 10. So but minus 10 I want. So minus 6 minus 4 take. So minus 6 minus 4 gives minus 10, right? Minus into minus plus, if you multiply 6 4 is 24. So these two factors suits here. So we'll take these two factors. X minus 1 as it is, x plus 1 also as it is. And now 3x square first term as it is. Instead of minus 10x, we will take these two factors. Minus 4x minus 6x plus 8 last term. In these two terms, what is common? X is common. Okay. So put x outside. And what is left? 3x left here. And minus 4. In these two, what is the HCF 6 and 8? 2. That's it. 2 table goes. 2 table divides both. HCF is 2. So we can take minus 2 as a common. Then 2 goes in the 6 3 times. 3x. Already minus came out. Now here plus means by taking the minus common, the sign will get it changed. So minus 4. Now see this 3x minus 4, 3x minus 4 is repeating. Hence write only one time. 3x minus 4. And the rest of the terms, x and minus 2, make it as a one factor. So these are the four required factors for the given polynomial f of x.